In this video, we're demonstrating 3 scroll saw projects that are a little bit sus. Our first project is to make a Crewmates keyring. So to make your Crewmates keyring, you start off by marking out the design on the wood itself. This can be done using carbon paper. As you'll see, we're using 2 different coloured pieces of woods. Once you have finished marking your Crewmate keyring out, you then cut it out using a scroll saw. You can glue the visor and the main body together. After you've done this, we're then on to our belt sander to sand everything nice and smooth and nice and even. Drill a hole that will be used for putting the keyring clip through. For those of you who are only interested in the scroll sawing part of the process, you can leave this part of the making of our Crewmates keyring, because this is where we do the hand carving. And our hand carving, it just gives the keyring a little bit of extra flair and a little bit of extra character. So we're just bringing out the shapes of the backpack and the legs and just beveling the edge, just refining our Crewmates keyring a little bit. After we finish the hand carving, you can add 3 coats of shellac, sanding sealer, leaving it to dry between coats. You then add our keyring clip to it and you've made yourself a Crewmates keyring. Our second project is really sus. Unfortunately, our imposter has been up to no goods. To make this scene, you start off by marking out all of the crewmates, the imposter, the background, and our ghosts as well. So we cut out all of our crewmates, our victim, our imposter, all out on the scroll saw, ready for creating our imposter scene. But the question remains, which one is our imposter? Let us know in the comments section below which one you think is our imposter. After you cut them out, you can then hand carve each individual piece if you're interested in doing it. And that really gives them their individual character and flair. You'll also notice that we give all of our characters different hats, just as you have with the crewmates on Among Us. One method you'll see me using is to hold the small pieces. In all honesty, that's not a method that I would suggest, because as you may have heard me saying on previous videos, I advise people to clamp whatever you're working on down or to hold it in a vise. But in this particular case, because I made the pieces quite small, they were not actually able to be held in a clamp or a vise. Now the scene we've created, in all honesty, it really is a little bit sus. So we scroll sawed out our words and then hand carves just to bevel the edges of the letters sus. Once we've done that, we're then working on our backgrounds. As we love Among Us, we've done our background in the shape of a heart. We then super glue our word sus to the top, create our scene with all of our crewmates, imposter and victim, glue them all down onto the background, and then the same once again, we add 3 coats of shellac sanding sealer. Our final sus scene that we're making is in the opening sequence just as the game is about to start, when we find out whether or not we're a crewmate or an imposter. Same process again, mark it all out on the wood using carbon paper. You can then cut it out using the scroll saw. The background of our opening sequence is in two different colours. So what we've done, we've used olive woods and ash. And when we stick it all together, we cut them into separate pieces where half of the background is in olive woods and half of the background is in ash. This gives us the two different contrasting colours to our backgrounds. As you can see, we super glue the scene together. So we super glue all of our surrounds to the crewmates. We also super glue the visor, which we made in ash as well to contrast our red coloured crewmates. We then sand it so we get a nice flat surface all around. And then the only part of hand carving that we have to do is on the hand itself. So we start working on the detail to bring out the character of that carving. Again, the hand is the same colour as our crewmate, so we've cut it out from the same piece of wood. We just super glue that hand in front of the face in the same way that we see it in the open sequence of the game. And then add 3 coats of shellac sanding sealer. As always, you can use different methods of finishing, whatever you prefer, whatever suits you best. But that is our preferred method of finishing our wooden items. So there you go. Those are our 3 sus projects. Perfect for the true Among Us fan. And remember, as always, keep an eye out for that imposter. Let us know in the comment section below which one of those projects is your favourite and which one you plan on having a go at making.